Hello everyone, this is my review of the DUMOS 12-in-1 6-quart stainless steel electric pressure cooker. The stainless steel exterior resists stains and rust, and the non-stick inner pot and removable lid make cleanup hassle-free. I've used it for pressure cooking, slow cooking, sauteing, steaming, and multigrain rice. Having all these functions in one device is ideal for meal prep or family dinners. Cooks fast and efficiently, great for quick weeknight meals or bigger batch cooking. A few things to keep in mind. It maxes pressure cooking for only 90 minutes, which may feel short if you plan to pressure cook longer than that. It won't let you open the lid until all the pressure is released, which is a nice safety feature. If you're looking to replace multiple appliances, I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.